gorgeous. My favorite. She is. Kill it. No.
Oh, you fucker! It's not going anywhere. I just want the price.
This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the fast and easy way to make a beautiful website. Good morning. I feel like I'm usually running around New York and trying to awkwardly intro the vlog. So I figured I'd start this off on a chill one. I'm gonna head into Manhattan for a couple of hours. I have a meeting. It's nice to get out of the house. So let's go and do our bits, shall we? Oh my god, is that like a quadruple donut? This one? Is that one long donut? God bless America. My management's office is actually in the GRA building, kind of next to the vessel, so it's all very fancy. Okay, so I'm in Greenwich Village because it's a lot more beautiful and chill to vlog in than where I was, which was Midtown Manhattan. Ugh. Is there such a thing of too much West Village brownstones? I think not. Little look at today's outfit. I got my Angela Roy bag, which has my book in it. I am gonna get lunch now. I'm starving. Can you see the bags under my eyes? I was editing a shoot till 2 a.m. this morning. Oh yeah, management. Haven't even updated you guys. I've been running a solo ship for many years in terms of like booking all of my own work. But last summer I joined an agency and unfortunately that did not work out. And it really just was not the agency for me at all. And that's the reason I avoided kind of having management or agencies for so long, because it's so hard to find a great fit and a place that really has your best interests at heart, as well as just like having a mutually beneficial relationship, because you know everyone wants to be successful. And always ask the hard questions, read the fine print, because a lot of these agencies out here, they are looking to make a quick buck off of people. I can finally say that I'm with an amazing agency now, which to be honest I should have just went with from the start. I have done my best campaigns with them. Like the brands I've loved working for the most, the content I'm most proud of has always been through them. It really is everything I've wanted. I've loads of freedom to still do my own thing, conduct my work how I want to, but I don't know, just get kind of access to better jobs and better opportunities. So happy about that. Tara, the motion sickness baby, has to stop for anti-sickness tablets.
Get enough, never 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 get enough. Slow a little down is what you said. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans. I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never, like I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. Never get enough, 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 never get enough.
Myself and Cathal went for our normal weekend boxing ritual. We got out, it was pissing rain, hence why my hair is in my pilgrim heatless waves, but the sun came out and now we are starving. So since the weather is nice, we are having our first Smorgasburg food festival. I want to get out of the city. Williamsburg, like you have to come here. It's such a good vibe and like this festival is insane. Wait till you see. absolutely typical. Raining or miserable for about a week now. I wear an all black outfit with boots on the day that it's absolutely roasting. Like, look at this. It's got to be 20 degrees Celsius. It's so warm. Of course the weather forecast was wrong because it's always wrong. I'm not mad though, look at this cuteness. Very cute little pub in Williamsburg. Today is one of my favorite days of the week. Me and Ruth usually meet up. We take each other's outfits and then sit and have coffee, do some work on our laptops. It's definitely a highlight of my week. We are heading to a new spot, a cute little Frenchy vibe place called Reynard. I found it on Instagram. I think it's part of the White Hotel. Ooh, this place looks cool too, but I believe we're headed in here. Look who it is. Jeepers! That's very cool. We got ourselves a nice little rustic lunch. There's my date. We just got in from shooting and this is the spot. Unfortunately, the espresso maker is not working. Not the best start. But we will. Alrighty fam. 5.5 hours later, I'm on the move. Eyeliner and mascara situation is an absolute travesty. This is what happens when I don't wear eye primer. Learn from my mistakes. I think I'm gonna go and make a pit stop at Sephora. I'm actually going to get one of your guys' suggestions from Instagram and maybe a few other bits. I'm actually going to do a gig after boxing, which was kind of last minute and very spontaneous of me, but I don't think I'm gonna look that good after boxing, so we might need to pick up some bits to fix this afterwards. Sephora have this really handy area where they have all their best sellers. So these are all the mascaras. I actually have most of them that you recommended, but this is winning out, the Milk Kush mascara. I'm all about that cannabis oil type products. So what I was asking for, you guys seem to recommend this one the most. Okay, so Milk Kush mascara, Hourglass arch brow pencil, and I'm also gonna pick up one of my favorite like light to medium coverage foundations, the blurring skin tint from Makeup Forever. And no one believes me how beautiful this makeup is. Like usually Makeup Forever like super full coverage, but this is like so buildable and you can wear it really sheerly and it's so dewy and gorgeous. Or 10% off today. Like a lot of people are like, bam, Monday, let's kill it, let's do it. And I'm just in the corner like mentally preparing myself for the rest of the week. Casually just chomping on an RX bar because I cannot get enough of this chocolate cherry one. Oh, it's so good. It's so nice to wake up to a beautiful sunny day outside. So pumped about it. I've got my transitional outfit on, I'm ready. A YouTube friend of mine is actually in town as well, so hopefully I get to show her around a little bit, grab brunch and bring you around. This is my makeup. It's kind of like my favorite medium coverage look with a little bit of a eyelash flick at the side. Got eye sunglasses, my little vintage outfit that you would have seen in the haul that I did with like thrifted items. I kind of styled some looks in there as well. So this is one of the looks and I'm wearing it again because I dig it. Complete with Chanel dad sandals. I literally haven't had visitors in like definitely over 6 months, so it's so cool. I'm like freaking out over the most basic things and she's just like, oh yeah, I take that for granted. But I love that though, the enthusiasm from like anyone that's been here for the first time is like, it just makes me feel luckier to be here. Joy every second of being here. Like I literally, I want to come back so bad. Like I already been here 2 days and I'm already thinking like, when am I free to come back for a week? It's so good. Yeah, you're bringing me everywhere. The amount Melanie has fitted into 1 day in New York is 6 a.m. Check out her vlog and see what she got up to, because that is how you should tourist in New York. See everything, no excuses. Okay, work is done for the day and I finally feel like I got in the game and just like got focused again. Head is in the game now and I'm gonna go to yoga. This is sort of like my comfy, well, one of my comfy Puma outfits. I've got this really nice sports bra. It's a really soft, comfy bra. Like I use it on my like low impact workout days. And then my favorite, or one of my favorite pairs of Puma leggings. These are like the metallic purple ones. Now they do show sweat marks because of this fabric. Again, for non-sweaty workouts, I like to wear these. So that's my little yoga look. Post-boxing summer day look. My Williamsburg, Brooklyn is looking beautiful today. Another day, another boxing class in the bag. So weird how your workout mood changes. I like literally don't use the home gym at all anymore. It's just been complete class pass classes or like rumble. Kinda got stuck in the flat this morning waiting for some messengers to come to bring some stuff that I need for shoots. I have a shoot tomorrow with Edelle. Now though, most importantly, it's time to get lunch and find Ruth. I think we're gonna have a bit of a bathe in Domino Park in this beautiful weather. First sunbathe of the year.
Get the cucumbers and one more.
I'll get the cucumber and the apple, please. Apple. We are in Urban Outfitters. I'm looking to be inspired. I need a top to wear for tomorrow's shoot. Absolute creeper. Look, there she is now. And she's off there now. Look at her strutting her stuff. Our little rendezvous is over. I got a little iced latte for the road, but I'll actually be seeing Ruth again in like 3 hours. The little girl group is going for dinner at Birds of a Feather tonight, so I'm quite looking forward to that. How rude of me, I didn't even show you my nails. So this is sort of like my go-to lately. I've had a lot of work recently that's required me to have neat manicures, and I feel like for shoots and when I'm doing products and stuff, this is one of the easiest ones to go to. It's just like an almost your nails but better, like super sheer, pretty boring, but I just find it really versatile and I get my money's worth. Oh, and I also got my toes done, which I'm not going to zoom up on too much. Put it in neutral. It's one of my go-tos. I think it's 2 coats of that and top coat and base coat obviously, and then on my toes it's regular polish. I think it's called Barefoot in Barcelona. That's it. It's kind of like a darker nude. Oh my god, freakishly long hair on my ankle. I don't know how I missed that. Jesus lads, she's a wiry one. I don't know, since I've given up the pill, I've had the most random hair pop up in places where I don't usually get it. Like that's literally bang in the middle of my ankle. Do love me a good little follow-up, and I didn't get to show you what happened to these boots after I dropped them off to my cobbler. I picked them up on the way home and they look so good. I got my little 2-tone sock booties fixed up. The heel was a mess, and the boots, oh my god, he did an incredible job. Hopefully I have not deleted the before shot of these boots from the last vlog, but wow, they look like completely different boots. Yeah, there's your PSA. If there's anything in your wardrobe that you feel like you can bring to the tailor and get a bit of an upgrade on, or your favorite shoes that are worn to bits, get them done, because it is so gratifying once you get them back.
Kung Pao chicken and the broccoli vegetable, and then all at the same time.
You want to serve dogs together?
Yes, please. And 2 rice.
2 white rice?
Yes.
I'm just going to read that back. Chicken dumplings.
2 flonkers, man. The tea has been spilled.
Oh yeah, no, chilling. I wish you could see yourself now, like you were straight chilling. Good morning from Williamsburg. We have arrived to today's shoot location. Quickest turnaround of life for this project, but I'm super pumped. I got my girl Edelle here in the background, mystery. Oh, you're blurry, so that's perfect. You're there but not there. Yeah, so we've rented out this beautiful studio. I think it's actually someone's house, but it was on Peerspace, which is a really good place to book like photo shoot locations and all of that, so very happy with it. We've got some super cool outfits. I'll give you a sneak peek. Like, look at these pants. They're like these glassy organza metallic pants. Downsize everything I had this morning in the Uber to my backpack and my tote bag, so all about those small bag lady wins. I just spent the last 3 hours in Partners Coffee, formerly known as Toby's Estate, going through the photos. I picked my favorites, but unfortunately, gotta love a MacBook Pro battery life. I gotta go home. You know what, it's fine, because I actually am really awkward about editing photos in coffee shops, like unless I have a really good seat where like no one. I just stepped in tarmac. Really weird. I sank into it and it just felt like foam. As I was saying, it's all about the prime coffee shop seat. You know, can't be handling anyone looking at me now while I'm sifting through my dud photos. Successful day shooting. Like what we pulled off in like 2.5, 3 hours was like so good. I'm not gonna lie, I was just a tweensy bit stressed out about one of the outfits. Well, my outfit that I got from the brand, they only sent me like a jacket and the trouser, and I was so pumped to get the trousers, but of course it was too small. I sound ungrateful, but one of the things I hate most is when I'm doing a shoot and I don't fit into the clothes. It's so uncomfortable. Your poses are awkward. It takes you off guard when the brand asks for your size, but then they still send you a runway size, like literally a model runway size. Like, I mean, this ain't it. This ain't, you know, it comes as part of the job, styling and working around things and adapting, and in the end we figured it out. We got the shot. Guys, this plant, look how much it's grown since we got it. It must have grown like 1.5 feet. I don't know what this is exactly, but it's one of those like easy care plants. We just went to our garden center, and a lot of you guys asked me where all these cute little pots are from. They're all from our local garden center. I'm not gonna lie, I have had nightmares of this coming down and like choking me in my sleep. We also did change the old pot that was here. I had to put this bigger one in because we got this gorgeous little succulent, and at home we knocked off 1 million of these little like leaf things. As you can see, that one's pretty bare, but it still looks great. But I'm sure the plant gurus out there will let you guys know in the comments. I'll try and like pin it or comment it so it gets to the top. I'm about to get comfy and make a start on today's edit. If you are like me and you're a bit of a creative, whether it be video editing or photography or anything like that, and you haven't already created a online portfolio for yourself or a little slice of the internet to kind of showcase your work, of course I would recommend Squarespace to get you started. I feel like for any business it's important to have a beautiful, like smooth running website to get you one step closer to where you want to be. My 2-week free trial link is always active. It's squarespace.com/Tarmer. You can check it out for yourself. My code Tarmer at checkout will also give you 10% off your future billing. A lot of you guys seem to very keen and impatient for another NYC vlog, so there it is. Over and out. Hope you enjoyed this week. If you missed it, last Sunday I posted a vintage thrifting haul and kind of try-on. So honestly, I think YouTube has just messed up the whole subscription thing, and the only thing that they can do to redeem it now is have that red bell button thing going. So if you've been liking the videos and you want to be entertained every week, be sure to hit that before you leave. I'll catch you next week, potentially for 2 videos.